Hi, fourth graders at TES. Here's simplifying fractions. Remember we did a little bit of equivalent fractions. What does equivalent fractions mean? It means fractions that are the same amount, but they have different names, okay? But what if we are given this fraction and we want to find what's a simpler way to do it? Because we could talk about 3/15, but that's hard for our brain to visualize. Something divided into 15 pieces, like how big would those pieces be? And then 3 of them. So we want to simplify if possible. So here is one way. This is not the just mathematical way that you learned. We're going to do that too, but this is to really maybe see a picture of it as well. All right, 3/15, we're going to start out with putting our common factors that we learned last week or a couple weeks ago, or maybe last year. All right, 3 and 15. All the factors of 3, that means something times something equals 3. Well, 1 times 3 equals 3. Then we try 2. Does 2 times anything equal 3? Nope. Because 2 times 2 is 4, all right? That's it. Next would be 3. Okay, 15. 1 times 15. 1 times 15 is 15, obviously. Let's try 2. Oh wait, it's not an even number, so we know 2 won't work. All right, let's try 3. Is 3 times anything 15? Aha, sure enough, 3 times 5 is 15, so let's write that in here. 3 times 5 is 15. All right, let's try 4. Let's see if 4 times anything is 15. Nope, because 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16, that's too much. Okay, so we've got our common factors. What's the greatest common factor here? They've both got 1 and they've both got 3, so 3 is the greatest. Okay, 3 is the greatest. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to actually draw circles for each of these. Maybe I should have done this first. 3, that just means that, right? 3, 1, 2, 3. 15, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and you don't have to line them up. I know I just did sort of automatically out of habit, but you could put the dots, you could have done 12 here and then 3 here, that still would be fine. All right, so 3 is my common factor. I'm going to separate these into groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, there's one group. And just to show you, I mean, I could do 1, 2, 3 like this. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now, but just to show you, it doesn't matter how you do it. I'll do these 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll choose these 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and here are 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and here are 3 more. All right. So now, 3 out of 15. Because there are 15 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, da, da, da. Let me shade in this amount. Well, pause. I can't pause. All right. This is the same thing as saying how many groups are up here? 1 group. How many groups are down here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a simpler way is saying 1 out of 5. All right, we'll do a second problem. I know that this might be blowing your minds for those of you like Ms. Riley, Ms. Kiger, and us who were raised old school, but we're trying to show some visual to help in the long run.